Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Kube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with another little pour, just doing a different composition again. I think I'm going to be, I'm going to use a few custom colours and I'm just going to play it by ear. I have a little bit of paint that was mixed up 2 days ago that I poured over some candle holders, and I'm just thinking of a way of incorporating into this pour, so I'll see how we go. So I'm going to cover my base with white. So it's just my normal white paint. If you're looking for ingredients or if you're a beginner, if you look in the drop down box underneath this video, it's either a little V or show me more or something like that. It's underneath the video, a drop down box appears and it's got all my directions in there, and it's got links to beginners videos and how to make pouring medium, and it's got a link to finishing video, that shows you how to finish your videos, whether it be varnish coat, gloss coat, resin. So it's all there. So I'm going to get a fair bit of paint on this as my base coat. This is a custom colour that I made up, and it's 50% silver, 50% gold. So metallic silver, metallic gold, and it makes a really nice champagne colour. So I've kind of loved doing this of late to create my backgrounds. It then doesn't give you a plain background, it gives you something just a little bit more special, I suppose. So I'm calling it special. So I'm just squeezing some of this champagne gold in with the white, and it'll reveal itself in a second. So that's very supple. Supple, is that the word, supple? That's how I wanted it, just to give it something different in the background. It kind of looks like really nice, soft, it's given it a really nice soft effect. So you can do your background in any colour in that type of technique. There's no boundaries, there's nothing, Remember, there's no rules. The only rule there is there's no rules. Not in my art room anyway. So there you go, that's a really nice, actually I'm just loving doing these backgrounds in different colours, using it for different techniques that I use on the inside. So loving it, really gives it a nice soft look. So that was just my champagne gold, I'm calling it. 50% gold, 50% silver. Right-eo. I'm going to put some, this is called paper bark. It's a global paint and the colour is called paper bark. So I'm just going to put a bit of that in there. Paper bark. And then I'm going to put in some copper, metallic copper. Metallic copper. Then I've got some burnt umber that I again put in my burnt umber, some of this pearl mist. It's like an iridescent, it is a paint by Global in pastel colour called pearl mist, but when I've added it to my dark paints, it makes them really nice and sparkly, like an iridescent medium. But it obviously costs a lot cheaper than buying iridescent medium. So yep, that'll do. So that was my burnt umber with a spot of black because I like it to go dark, and a good dab of that pearl mist. Rightio, now I've got some more of my champagne colour. This one was actually the champagne that I made up, but then I added, so I made it 50% gold, 50% silver, and then I put a blob of the copper in it, and it sent it this gorgeous, even a gorgeous champagne-y, minky look to it. It's gorgeous, really lovely. What did I want to put in there now? I don't think I'm going to use this in that particular, I will have to save that for another painting, but I have got a little bit of the dark sea, and I think this will add the bit of colour that it needs. So I've got the dark sea, and again I've put some of my pearl mist from in there too. So this canvas is 60 by 30. It's a canvas size I love working with when I'm doing these, if I'm not going to go real big. Rightio, and what my thing is for this one, I think I'm going to, where is it, add a little bit of my Amsterdam white with Floetrol, just because this gives a really nice lacy look in it. So, I'm not sure if I want to swipe this out or blow it out. I wish I could hear what you guys are thinking. Thinky. Let me try a swipe, and if not, I'll go to blowing it out with my hairdryer. So I will just see what a swipe looks like in this. I might ruin my other colours. Might do it for just the bottom. See, now I've sort of gone over that lovely background, so I might not do the top, I'll just stick with this. The colours are beautiful, they really go so well together. So if you're stuck for colours, have a go with those because they're really pretty. Wow, I don't really want to do anything else with this bit down here, I like that. It might be nice to see Kathleen do the blowouty thing. I might get in touch with her and see if she wants to have a little go at the blowouty thing. Now, what do I do? Do I balloon that or do I blow it out? Oh, how wonderful. I think this is wonderful because you've got several techniques in here. You've got the blowout to begin with the lacy sort of background, the soft background. Got the swipe. I've got the blow, you know, the blowing out of like it's made it all lacy. And now what I'm going to do in the center is few balloon kisses, but just with this small balloon, it looking like I may have to walk away and leave the paint to dry off a bit. Just let me try. I think this balloon is going to be too big. But we'll give it a go. So it's Gilly's Balloon Kiss Magic. Always adds a bit of magic in my eyes to my work. Ooh, oops, whoops, let's try this. So this then for sure has got nearly all the techniques in, even almost the bloom technique, because you've got the beautiful lacing in the blowout petals. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I'm just got to perfect those balloon kisses in the center a bit, so that they just come along with my small, my little balloon that's just got a bit of water in it, just to add a bit of weight to your, when you kiss the paint. I think it looks lovely. So I'm not sure if, yeah, you could either have that way, you could have it long ways. It looks so nice either way, or this way. And what I love about it was interesting to actually create, because I've got the different techniques in there. So it's not just one technique, it's got a bit of everything, and it's got some lovely lace and some absolutely beautiful colours. I'm happy, Jen, I'm happy with that one, really, really happy with that, just love it. Might just get my skewer, kind of feel as though it needs a little bit of trailing off at the ends here, maybe not, tell me what you thought. It's just, I just looked and thought, oh, it needs a little bit of trailing off to sort of, kind of looks 3D with those. It looks 3D as though it's floating away from the background. What do you guys think? I love it. Please give this a go. It's so much fun. Try the different techniques. Try blowing your background out with one colour in it. Try doing your swipe. Try doing your balloon kiss and your hairdryer blowout. I think it's lovely. I'm very, very happy with it. So thank you guys so much for joining me again on my art journey. Just love it. So grateful to you all, and really do appreciate you watching. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button please. It helps me, but it costs you absolutely nothing. If you're looking for any of the materials used or that lovely pearl mist, I will put a link in the drop down box in the description, or I'll put a link in the very first comment. So until tomorrow, bye for now.